But I should tell you quickly about myself. I've represented my country 74 times, and we've all had the privilege of playing at Twickenham Stadium. For some of you, it's the first time you may have ever been here before. Last time England played here, they won the Six Nations. Last time New Zealand played here, they won the World Cup. And you get an opportunity to play on that pitch, to go in the change rooms and see where so many legends have been born, so many legends have been created. You get to experience that today. So I want you to appreciate it, I want you to enjoy it. Ask questions, absorb the moment. Representing your country is such a great experience. For myself, I got my first England shirt at the age of 19 years old. 20 years later, I've still got that shirt. I've put it away in the corner, and I take it out every now and again, just to realise how proud I am. And you guys have created your own shirts. It's a very special thing to have a shirt like that, because it means so much to you, your teammates, your family, your friends. You are currently in the England changing room, the home changing room. So, I just wanted to build you up the experience that we go through. Imagine the coach arriving at the Lions Gate. Crowds are shouting and cheering you. As you walk into the change room, the music is blaring really loud, but at the same time you can hear the crowd outside. This is where it all starts. This is where it all begins. This is where the players start to think about what they're going to do when they get on that pitch.
Hopefully we'll see you